inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way?
We are about to cross the borders, China and Hong Kong, and literally the borders are like this. 1, 2, 3. Once you pass this gate, you are already in Hong Kong. Today we're going to the Suicide Cliff in Hong Kong, one of the most dangerous and top-rated hikes. So if you are coming by train, you have to take this exit C. Follow this sign. It will lead you to this trail. Don't follow the map because it will show you another way. And you have to turn right to this side. Make sure to find this arrow. After this, you just follow this trail to the way up.